guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my November currently page in my classic size Happy Planner. This is the dashboard layout. I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers from the Fun Brights Mega Sticker Book, so I wanted to show you that first before I forgot. I went ahead off camera and made this box myself because I had to kind of use my box's sticker sheet, and if you can see around this long vertical box, I cut out the little trim pieces and just made my own box because I wanted a large box to go up here. So now let's see what else we can do with this spread and kind of decorate, put some boxes in here. I'm also going to, in this video, kind of Franken plan in those first few pages. Actually, I might try to Franken plan in the whole monthly layout planner. If you're familiar with the monthly layout, it's a checklist layout from the Happy Planner. So when I started working in July, you know, we had all the spring releases coming out, and I was like, oh, I could use the monthly layout for work. So I bought the oh, this cute, adorable monthly layout. This one, like with the ice cream. I can't remember what it was called, ice cream boardwalk or something. So anyways, it's got these adorable dividers, and so yeah, I started working. It started in July. I started working and never used it. So I think I wrote my schedule right there, the first schedule I ever had. So I'm gonna try to use that planner just to say that I did. But now let's try to incorporate some stickers into this spread. Where do I want to put this one? I kind of want to use this. I actually might do a little something like this just to get all these colors incorporated, because I want to use the little hexagons for I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to use those for. But I do have a plan for the hexagons, but I kind of need other boxes to just match. So that's the only reason we're throwing this vertical box in here. I will find a use for it, I'm sure. But so now we have all of those in here. So now we're going to put, let's just, well, shoot. Let's see. How do I want to do this? I kind of want to do at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, which is what I have in my hand. But I need to make sure that I space everything out accordingly. All right, let's see if we can just go with it. Let's just try to go with it and see what happens. Going to be a lot of colors in here, but I think it'll be okay. I'm actually going to put 2 yellows since I didn't have 3 different color boxes. We're going to put 2 yellows side by side. And then we're going to put this one down here at the bottom. Let's just line it up with the bottom line. Okay. So this is a lot, but I want to use these for currently prompts, and so I want to say currently praying. Let's see. We're just going to handwrite these in. My handwriting is not perfect, but it's going to be what it is. Praying, praising, loving, hoping and healing, hoping and healing. And then we're going to write thankful for. So I can do 3 things of gratitude. Let's do blessed with, or blessed in. Let's do blessed in, and then grateful for. Hope y'all can't hear my Jesus music. I don't need any more copyright strikes. Okay, so I got all of my currently prompts in there. And then we're going to just leave this space open for important, this space open for priorities. I did get this habit tracker out, but I'm not going to use it. So these little bullet points, we're just going to kind of put some bullet points in here just to add some color into this box. I don't know if those are evenly spaced or not. Hopefully it's not too terrible. This one probably could go up a little bit. Okay. And then I really like this quote that I can barely read now. It says, I am in charge of the way I feel, and today I choose happiness. But I don't think I'm going to use it because it's too light. We're going to use it on the other page. You'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. We're going to use this one that says, surround yourself with the things you love, discard the rest. Which is also true. And something that we should be doing. Okay, perfect. It's not quite centered, but it's okay. I'm going to leave it alone. So now let's decorate a little bit with my thankful and blessed stickers. I think I'm going to use the small sheet and the mini sheet. I just threw away my those garland that I tried to use earlier. I threw them in the trash, but anyway, we got more. Let's try to just use it here. So let's cut this way. And then we'll cut this way. Oh, look, I actually used garland, you guys. I'm so proud of me. Okay, and now we can take this little decorative element and kind of just stick it in there. I want to put one of the girls up here, but I don't know. I think this one will fit better because we can put her on top here and her little food, little drink tray can kind of go over top of that box. All right, so look how cute this is. Let's take a little bit of my washi now, kind of just fill in with some of this washi that I use in my monthly spread. Love it. Love, love, love it. Okay. And then I think I'm going to take a little bit, and I'm not going to white out priorities. I want to be able to see priorities behind here. And we're just going to kind of lay that there. Yeah, this is cute. Really cute. Okay, and then I think I'm going to take some of this scalloped washi and outline this gray box. Not outline it, but put it at the top of the gray box. I may need to move my little bullet points down some. So we'll do that. Oops, I gotta cut this side. Oh no, I ripped my little gray piece. Oh well, it's okay. I actually have a little piece left over here that I'm just gonna cover that up with. Got to get creative to cover up the blenders. So this is what we will do. Just like that, the blender is gone. Okay, let's move my little bullet points down one. Move this one down. Let me just look on camera and see if they look fairly evenly spaced. It doesn't have to be perfect, but fairly is good enough. Okay, so now we have my priorities here, my importance, and all of my little prompts that I'm going to fill in throughout the month. I love it. Love, love, love it. I don't think... Actually, I could probably fill in somewhere right here maybe. I do have another mini sheet. Let's just use another mini sheet. Why not? Let's just fill in some of these blank spots with this. I actually could probably use the small one, to be honest. I mean, it's a little big, but it'll do. And then we could take, honestly, we could take, I feel like now I want to use the bigger one of this. Let's try it and just see. I know we'll kind of go up into 2 boxes, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, that looks so much better. And then let's take, oh, this box is, or this little hexagon is crooked. Okay. I think I made it crooked the other way. It's okay. I'm just not going to worry about it. Whatever. It is what it is. I don't like that. I'm going to cut this one to the bottom. Okay. And then why don't we try to... I actually didn't even end up using this mini sheet, and I kind of hate to use anything else. So, yeah, I think I'm going to be done. Yep, so that's it for my currently page. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll give it a thumbs up. Oh wait, I'm not done with this video. Stop, Casey, what are you doing? Yeah, let's put it back in my planner. If you're still here, thank you for staying, because I just literally said that I was going to Franken plan, and I didn't even Franken plan. So I would like to Franken plan the entire monthly layout. Now it also gives us a December currently page that I'm not going to use. I don't want that, because I'll use the one that's already in the planner when we get to the end of November. So what we're going to do is stick those monthly pages in here, and then I have some fill paper here that I got actually on Amazon. I love it. And then we're going to grab my Tombow Mono permanent adhesive, and we're going to actually put the lined filler paper over top. We're going to glue it to the top of this monthly page so that it's like a seamless planner that kind of looks like it was built this way. And then I'm I'm not going to decorate these pages. These are going to be more like kind of like brain dump, sketch planning, pre-planning pages to kind of help me get through the month with like a running to-do list. So we have my November currently page, and then we go into this monthly layout where I can do priorities, goals, kind of just like brainstorm the whole month, because this is my catch-all planner, and I'm always needing places to just jot things down. So then we go into my running, it's actually daily tasks, but I'm going to use it as just like a running to-do list. I think this will work out really well. And then we have a notes page. So yeah, I kind of like that. One thing I was going to do though, and I told you guys I was going to do it. Where is my wax paper? I was going to take this little quote and put it over on this page, because I really liked it and I really want to use it. So let's stick it up here. Really got that crooked. I was thinking it would be centered if I laid it down where I just laid it down, but it's not. Perfect. Yeah, I'm in charge of the way I feel, and today I choose happiness. So I think that's a really good like mantra to put on top of this notes page. So there's my currently page. Like I said, we just Franken planned in the monthly planner with the running to-do list and the notes page in front of my November so that I can kind of brainstorm November for my business, my family, just normal everyday life. I may do a checklist like for home, business, probably going to need a few of them for business, but this could be like a home checklist. So yeah, I like that. So now I'm finished with this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. I am doing better about being active over there now that I'm full-time again. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Love y'all. Bye, guys.